Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and we are covering the CBSE 2023, the series 2 set 1 paper. In the last video we covered question 17 and in the previous videos we have covered all the MCQs. If you have missed that out, do check out all these videos on the channel. If you haven't subscribed, then hit the subscribe button so that you get easy access to all these videos for your complete preparation. This will remain in your list and it will be easy for you to find these videos on the channel. Hit the subscribe button and without further ado, let's get started with the video. In this video, we'll be solving question 18a and b. Let's do it. Question 18, we have an OR question. First one is about guarantee of profit. Let's see what we have here. Mohan, Sohan and Suresh were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 2:1. This is the profit ratio given. Suresh was guaranteed a profit of 70,000. Any deficiency on account of guarantee to Suresh was to be borne by both Mohan and Sohan in the ratio of 3:2. The profit of the firm for the year ended 31st March amounted to 2 lakhs. And we are required to prepare PL appropriation account to record this guarantee. In this solution, I have covered the marks distribution so that you get to understand for which entry how much marks is allocated and you can easily understand where you have to focus. The first entry that we have is by PL account, which is the net profit transferred 2 lakh as given in the question. Second entry on the debit side, we have to profit transferred to partners capital accounts Mohan, Sohan and Suresh. First step, divide this 2 lakh in their PSR, which is 2:1. So 80,000, 80,000 and 40,000. And we can clearly see that Suresh is getting 40,000 as his share of profit against his guarantee of 70,000. So there is a shortfall of 30,000 that needs to be borne by Mohan and Sohan in the ratio 3:2. So 30,000, if you do it in the ratio 3:2, you get 18,000 and 12,000. So Mohan will be bearing 18,000 and Sohan 12,000. So if you see here, less guarantee to Suresh for the deficiency to be borne by Mohan 18,000. So Mohan's final share of profit is 62,000. Sohan has given a guarantee, so his deficiency to be borne is 12,000. His final net profit is 68,000, his final share of profit. And Suresh is getting 18,000 from Mohan and 12,000 from Sohan. So his final share of profit is coming to 70,000. So if you see the marks distribution, half marks for the PL account, half marks for deficiency borne by Mohan, half marks for deficiency borne by Sohan, and 1.5 mark for Suresh to get these contributions from Mohan and Sohan. These are very important. If you just focus on this and write all the entries, show all the calculations, you get the entire marks. These are important to be shown to get full marks. Let's move on to question number B, which is the OR question here, which is on calculation of goodwill. A and B were partners in a firm sharing profits equally. Their capitals were 1,20,000 and 80,000. The annual rate of interest is 20%. The profits of the firm for the last 3 years were 34,000, 38,000 and 30,000. They admitted C as the new partner. On C's admission, the goodwill of the firm was valued at 2 years' purchase of the super profits. Okay, so let's do it one by one. First, normal profit, which is 20%. The normal rate of return is mentioned here of the capital employed. So capital employed is 1,20,000 plus 80, which is 2 lakh. Here we have A's and B's capital 1,20,000 and 80,000. Total is 2 lakh. 20% of that is 40,000. Average profit we have to compare to find out super profit. So 34, 38 and 30,000. If you add and divide by 3, you get 34,000 as your average profit. So your super profit is negative 6,000. That means the company did not make any super profit. The company is falling short of the normal profit. The company is supposed to make a profit of 40,000 normally, but the company is actually making a profit of 34,000. So there is no goodwill. Goodwill only comes into picture if the company, in this case, if the company is making a super profit, which is 2 years purchase a super profit. So in this case, there is no goodwill as there is no super profit. Okay, this can be tricky. Students might get confused. Students might miss out that there is a negative figure and straight away might multiply 2 and mention that there is a goodwill of 12,000, or might also mention there is a negative goodwill of 12,000. But no, we're not required to do that. Just add this statement of yours that there is no goodwill as there is no super profit. And you can see the marks distribution: 1 mark for your normal profit, 1 mark for your average profit, half mark for showing that there is negative super profit, and half mark for your final conclusion, which is stating that there is no goodwill. Hope this was helpful. If you find something new that you have learned, mention that in the comments and share with your friends so that everyone can get benefited. Stay tuned to this channel. There are more such videos which will be shared. If you want any specific video to be made, do let me know. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments box below. We'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.